Hey guys, it's Josh from Nucar. You ever been in the situation, you're driving, trying to find something on the navigation? What if there was a simpler way? Let me show you how. Today we're looking at this 2020 Ford Ranger Lariat Crew Cab. Right here, I have this little guy. This is for voice recognition. So I can hit this button. And there's like a list of things that I can say. Find Walmart in New Hampshire.
In New Hampshire, please say the city name.
Tilton.
Please say a line number or say none of those.
1.
Please say a line number or say none of those.
1.
When ready, press the voice button and then say set as destination or dial the number.
Set as destination.
Setting new destination. Turn right now and then turn left.
See? No problem. We just want you to get to your destination safely. And it's just another reason why you should stop into Nucar.